You know, I'm Swedish. I'm from the northern part of Sweden where light is very important. And Scandinavian style is very much about the light, but still it's a warm light. It's functional, but yet not minimalistic in any way. The reason that minimalism and Scandinavian are opposites in my world is, for instance, these open shelves in the kitchen. Minimalism would be that they were occupied by decor only, like a vase or a photo frame. But functionalism in Scandinavian is more functional. We have things that we use every day on our open shelves. You know, in a bustling metropolitan like Toronto, the ultimate luxury is privacy and serenity. And I wanted the feeling of leaving the world behind when you enter the front door. And we placed all the windows, all the plants for privacy and also for ultimate light in this home. Another example of opposites are the fact that we don't have a mudroom in this house. We created the entry to be 100% functional with the storage, with everything, and then also very beautiful. The fiber optic ceilings has become one of my trademarks, and I've done them in so many homes at this point. They're very practical, especially when it comes to bathrooms. They give off this most beautiful ambient light, especially in the mornings and in the afternoons. And it's almost like taking a shower under a starry sky. The entire house has an engineered wood floor, which is very durable and beautiful at the same time. And I wanted a really light flooring for the Scandinavian look. Also, all the floors are heated in the addition, and also all the bathrooms are in-floor heating. I love the backyard because it's so private, and I also like the way the sun shines during the evenings, and you know, you can actually watch the sunset from the backyard. The pool is lovely during the hot summer months, and also the fact that the garage is kind of framing the whole backyard. I wanted the garage to look like a cabana more than just an ugly garage. The original house is a small bungalow from 1952, and we gutted the whole thing. You can actually watch the whole process on YouTube. And then we added a brand new addition. The lot is absolutely beautiful. It is very private. We don't have any close neighbors, and it's almost like Muskoka living in the city. We love the evening sun. Poolside, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's just so serene.